Hello, and welcome to Stairway to English. Every step you take here makes your English stronger. Listen carefully, read with focus, and enjoy the journey. Remember, learning English is not hard. It's just one small step at a time.
Episode 1. A Seed in the Ground. Life is sometimes very hard. We try, we work, and we wait, but results do not always come quickly. Many people feel sad when they do not see success soon. They think, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I will never win. But this is not true. Success often needs time. A good example is a seed in the ground. When you put a seed in the soil, you cannot see the plant the next day. You must water it. You must wait. Days and weeks may pass, but nothing seems to happen. However, under the soil, something important is growing. The roots are getting stronger. The plant is preparing to come out. Then one day, you see a small green leaf. The seed becomes life. People are the same. When you work, study, or try something new, you are like a seed. At first, you cannot see results. You may feel tired, and you may want to stop. But do not despair. Your effort is not lost. It is working inside you, like the roots of the seed. Every book you read, every practice you do, and every mistake you make is part of your growth. The change is slow, but it is real. Imagine a student who wants to learn English. On the first day, the student feels nervous. The words are strange. The grammar looks difficult, and listening is not easy. After 1 week, the student still cannot speak well. After 2 weeks, the student makes many mistakes. Maybe the student thinks, I cannot do this. But if the student continues, something amazing happens. After 1 month, the student understands simple sentences. After 2 months, the student can read small texts. After 6 months, the student speaks with friends. The progress comes slowly, but it comes. Waiting is not easy. People like quick results. In today's world, everything is fast. We want fast food, fast internet, fast answers. But life does not always work like this. Big and strong things need time. A tree needs years to grow. A mountain needs thousands of years to form. A person needs years to learn, to build skills, and to find their way. So when you feel weak or hopeless, remember the seed. It is quiet in the soil, but it is not dead. It is alive, waiting for its moment. Do not compare your time with others. Some seeds grow fast, some grow slowly. Some people succeed early, some later. Each person has their own season. A flower cannot bloom in winter. It must wait for spring. In the same way, your success will come at the right time. What is important is not to stop. Keep working, keep believing, and keep waiting. So when life feels dark, do not despair. When success is late, do not despair. Your roots are growing. Your moment will come. Just like the seed in the ground, your life will bloom when the time is right.
Episode 2. The Slow River. Life is like a river. Some rivers move fast, with strong water and quick waves. Other rivers move slowly, calmly, and quietly. But both rivers reach the sea. In the same way, people live at different speeds. Some people learn fast, some people need more time. But all people can reach their goals if they continue to move forward. Imagine a small river. At first, it is only water from the rain. It begins as a little stream in the mountains. It is not strong, it is not big, but it does not stop. Every day, more rain and more snow give it power. Slowly, the small stream becomes a river. It moves between rocks, it travels through forests, it crosses valleys. Sometimes it moves fast, sometimes very slow, but always forward. At the end, after many miles, the river finally finds the sea. You can be like this river. Maybe your beginning feels small. Maybe you are not strong yet. Maybe you are still learning and trying, but you are moving. Every step you take adds to your strength. Every small progress gives you more energy. Even when you move slowly, you are still going forward. And one day, you will reach your own sea. Let's think about learning again. A student begins with no words, no grammar, and no practice. The student is like the small stream. It is easy to feel weak and small. But the student studies every day. Each word is like a new drop of water. Each practice is like more rain. Slowly, the knowledge grows. The student becomes more confident, more fluent and stronger. Like the river, the student does not stop. The speed is not important. What is important is the movement forward. Sometimes the river meets problems. There are rocks, walls, or dry lands. But the river does not give up. If it cannot move straight, it finds another way. It goes around the rock, or under the rock, or over it. The river teaches us a lesson. If one path is closed, another path is possible. This is the same in life. If one plan fails, make another plan. If one dream is delayed, wait and try again. Just like the river, keep moving. There are people who compare themselves with others. They say, that person is moving faster. That person is more successful. But do not forget the river. Some rivers are short, some are long. Some are fast, some are slow. But all rivers find the sea. You do not need to be first. You only need to continue. Your sea is waiting for you. When you feel slow, remember the river. Slow is not wrong. Slow is not weak. Slow is steady, safe, and strong. Many times, slow success is the best success. It builds a strong base. It prepares you for the future. A slow river may take years to reach the sea, but when it arrives, it is deep and powerful. So, do not despair. If you feel your life is slow, remember the river. You are still moving. You are still alive. You are still learning. Step by step, day by day, you are going forward. Trust the journey. Trust your time. Your sea is waiting, and you will reach it.
Episode 3. The Seed in the Soil. Think of a seed. It is very small. When you look at it, you cannot see what it will become. It looks weak. It looks simple. But inside the seed, there is life. Inside the seed, there is a tree, or a flower, or a plant. The seed carries a future. But the seed must wait. It needs time. When a seed is put into the soil, nothing happens at first. You look at the ground and you see only dirt. Days pass. Still, you see nothing. But under the soil, something is happening. The seed is changing. It begins to open. It begins to grow roots. The roots move down into the soil to find water. Then a small green stem pushes up. One day, the little green stem breaks the ground and shows itself. The seed becomes a plant. This is how our life works too. Sometimes we feel like nothing is happening. We work, we try, we wait, but we cannot see the result. We look at our soil and it looks empty. But do not despair. Change is happening, even if you cannot see it. Like the seed, You are growing under the surface. Your roots are becoming strong. Your foundation is getting ready. When the right time comes, you will break the ground and show your strength. Many people lose hope because they do not see fast results. They forget that seeds do not grow in one day. A tree takes years to grow, but the longer it takes, the stronger it becomes. A tree that grows slowly has deep roots. It can stand strong against storms. In the same way, when your growth is slow, your foundation is becoming strong. Your future will be stable and powerful. Imagine a farmer. The farmer plants many seeds in the field. He does not dig them out the next day to check. He knows he must wait. He trusts the process. He gives water and care, but he does not lose patience. He believes that in the right season, the plants will grow. You must be like that farmer with your own dreams. Plant your effort, give it care, and then wait. Do not despair when you cannot see the results today. The results are preparing for tomorrow. Sometimes, people compare themselves to others. They see someone grow fast, like a flower that blooms in spring, and they feel sad, thinking, "Why not me?" But remember, not every seed is the same. Some seeds become flowers, some become tall trees, some give fruit. All are important. You may not grow like another person, but your growth is unique. Your time will come, and when it comes, your beauty or your strength will be clear. The world needs both flowers and trees. Flowers give quick beauty. Trees give long life, shade, and strong wood. In the same way, every person has a different gift. Maybe your growth is slow, but your gift is deep. Maybe your success takes more years, but when it arrives, it will last longer. So do not despair. You are like the seed in the soil. You may not see your growth yet, but it is happening. Inside you, something strong is preparing. With patience, with care, and with time, you will grow. One day, you will stand tall like a tree or shine bright like a flower. Trust your process. Trust your time.
Episode 4. The right season will come. Life is made of seasons. There is a season for planting and a season for harvesting. There is a season for rain and a season for sun. There is a season for silence and a season for music. Nothing stays the same forever. Change is always moving. And in the same way, your life also has seasons. When you are in a hard season, it feels like it will never end. You may feel tired, sad, or hopeless. You may think, "Why is nothing happening for me?" But remember, winter does not last forever. After winter, spring always comes. The flowers bloom again. The birds sing again. The trees grow green again. Your difficult season is only one part of your story. Another season is waiting for you, a season of growth, success, and light. Think of a person waiting for fruit from a tree. He plants the tree, gives it water, and waits. For a long time, the tree shows no fruit, but the person does not cut the tree down. He trusts the tree. He knows fruit needs time. And then, when the right season comes, the tree is full of fruit. The waiting was not wasted. It was preparing for the right season. Your dreams are like that tree. Maybe today you see no fruit. Maybe you work hard, but you do not see results yet. Do not despair. It does not mean your dream is dead. It only means your dream is waiting for its right season. Everything beautiful takes time. A flower grows faster than a tree, but a tree lives longer than a flower. Your dream may take longer, but it will be stronger when it comes true. Some people want to give up in the middle of their waiting. They say, "It is too late. I am too old. My chance is gone." But the truth is, your time is not gone. As long as you are alive, your season can come. There are people who succeed when they are young, and there are people who succeed when they're old. There is no single rule. Your story is not the same as anyone else's. Do not despair. Your time is different, and it is coming. Remember that even silence has meaning. In music, silence between the notes makes the song beautiful. In life, waiting makes your growth stronger. If everything came too quickly, you would not learn patience. You would not learn strength. You would not learn hope. Waiting teaches you to value the result when it comes. Do not forget the sun and the moon. The sun waits to rise in the morning, and the moon waits to shine at night. They do not fight each other. They each have their own time. In the same way, you must wait for your own time. Do not compare yourself with others. Do not rush. Do not lose heart. Trust that your moment is coming. So if you feel lost today, if you feel weak, remember this. Your story is not finished. Your time is not gone. Your spring is coming. Your fruit is coming. Your light is coming. Do not despair. Wait your time. Trust the season of your life and believe that your moment will arrive.